With the best of everything, let's take a look at the wireless headphones. QCY QY12 Sports Wireless Bluetooth 4.1 headset with magnetic switch noise canceling aptX waterproof from Sound Gadget. That's a pretty slick headset. This is the new boy, the new kid on the block. And by separating them, we're now in pairing mode. Turn Bluetooth off. Now we'll turn Bluetooth back on again. And we'll tell it to scan. It sees a QY12, tell it to pair, and it is paired. Okay, in the case that you're going to do a second phone onto it, then at this point you turn the Bluetooth off on the first phone and then scan and pair with the second phone. Bluetooth 4.1 does that. So that's pretty slick. It says all the CSR bells and whistles. Of course, CSR was bought by Qualcomm a couple of years ago. And we're paired. Let's find some noise here. Okay, I'll hold this up to the camera pickup and maybe we can get an idea of the range. Well, thank you. This has noise canceling mic and all of the bells and whistles. This sounds great out. It's extremely lightweight, and when you put them together magnetically, it goes to sleep. And now it's off. Very nice. From QCY. Get one, I did, and I'm just darn happy.